What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another product review. If you guys do a lot of off-roading, overlanding, there are gonna come a time when you have to do a little bit of repair, whether that's gonna be a blown sidewall on the tires, maybe just a broken tie rod or anything else on the trail. So having something to able to lift up the your SUV, your truck, and able to fix it is highly essential. So a lot of guys will carry a high lift jack, or what they call a farmer's jack, and but they are in danger when it comes to using that. It could slip out pretty easily, and then there's a lot of weight on it, so you gotta be super careful when using it. So the company called Bunker Industry, I have their traction board before. They came out with a hydraulic high lift jack. Now it's been around with hydraulic high lift jack before, but yeah, in this video we'll be looking at the one by Bunker Industry. And so we're going to do the unboxing, and then yeah, showing you guys how to use it compared to the traditional high lift jack. So yeah, let's get started and we'll do the unboxing, and then I'll show you guys how to use this high lift jack by Bunker Industry. Let's do it. Oh, this is nice. Oh, that's cool. Thinking this is probably some type of hook to put it on your rigs and to help it go up and down, to lift it up. I'm assuming there's some anchor point right here, but that's kind of cool. You got this. Obviously it comes with a bag. That's really nice, so you don't have to worry about putting it or put it on the top of your rack. You can just carry it. So bag here, obviously the instruction on how to use it, use the manual, and creme de la creme. It's actually nice and hefty. I think that should be it. Yep. Alright guys, this is a closer look at the hydraulic lift jack by Bunker Industry. It's kind of cool. First look at it. Tell you all the capacity, lifting height, all that. And obviously you got your user manual just in case, so we'll take a look at how to operate this. I'm curious, but yeah, that's nice. Look like very well built. Some type of titanium alloy, or excuse me, some type of metal. But oops, assuming that's how you get this to go. But yeah, we'll test it out later. Some type of locking here. So I'm assuming all this function has to do with when you're lifting up the vehicle itself. But yeah, that's the first look at the high lift jack, hydraulic high lift jack. It's kind of cool. As you can see, this thing fit into the carrying case pretty easily with all the manual instruction and this little add-on point right here. But yeah, this thing is nice. It's nice to have a carrying case, and you can toss in your recovery or just the back of your truck when you go wheeling instead of mounting it somewhere. But yeah, we'll test it out right now. All right guys, so in able to use this high lift jack, what you want to do is you need a metal bumper first of all, or some type of slider, and you want to do is use this clip. Go here, have different notches along here, so go as best you can here. And then next step is locking this together like that. And then you want to do also is lock this up both sides, so that's lock, and this is lock. And then get as close as you can. There we go. And then pretty much begin jacking it up. Okay, once it's connected to your rock slider, you want to make sure everything is level. it's not like twisting one side or the other. So this looks pretty good. From there, you can just go ahead and continue jacking it up. All right, that's pretty much how you use to jack up the truck. I'm not going to jack it all the way because I'm not doing any repair or whatnot. But in order to get it down, this little clip right here, all you have to press it, and then that should release it. Press it. Actually, let's unlock this. Yeah, do that first. Unlock this side, and then press this. As you can see, it's super easy to do. All right, in order to get this all the way down, you want to press this again and just use a little bit of your weight. You can press it all the way down. And there you go, it's completely down. Now I'll show you guys how to use it when it comes to that little hook thing. It's for the wheels, and I'll show you guys how to do that right now. All right guys, the tool is really easy. All you want to do is hook it to your wheels like I have it right now. I have two hooks on there, and this goes onto this little mechanism right here. So I'll show you guys how to do it. So the reason why you want to use it with the tire, just let's say you get stuck or something like that and you want to get a traction board, or just get one tires up somewhere to do something. And yeah, so that's one way to do it. If you don't have a point where you can put this jack under, you can use this hook system with the tire, with the wheels. So I'll show you guys how to do it right now. Okay, so we have a hook on here to our wheels, and everything is locked there, and then there it is. Yeah, the tire's off the ground, and then that's how you can use that to put something underneath. I mean, I'm not going to go all the way because it doesn't make sense, but yeah, you can lift it all the way up and then able to put recovery board underneath if you're in a sticky situation and whatnot. But yeah, that's how you use that tool with the hydraulic high lift jack. And same way to get it down, unlock this both side, and then press this, and down she goes. Pretty easy, right? All right, let's see if we can use this on the trail. All right guys, so we are up here in Big Bear doing a little exploring. I want to test out the high lift jack right now. My truck is not stuck or anything, but I'll show you guys a different case scenario. You can use the high lift jack to fix things, you know, sometimes to get yourself out of a sticky situation. So we're gonna put that to work right now and lift up part of my truck, yeah, to show you guys that worst case scenario if this happened, using a high lift jack to help yourself out on the trail. Let's do it. All right guys, as you can see, it's on there. Obviously I'm not going to go all the way because I'm not need to repair for anything like that, but make sure everything is level. That's the most important part. I am on somewhat a level ground. It's kind of nice, but I'll show you guys how to, if you guys have some type of stand, it would be a little bit better, but if not, we can use the traction board as well. So I'll show you guys right now. All right, so another way you can stabilize an area you want to work on is the traction board. This one is by Bunker Industry as well. They sent that out to me to test as well. It's a really nice traction board, but you flip it around and it has a nice stable base. Honestly, I would definitely use it all the time just to stabilize things. As you can see, it just help stabilize things a lot. So yeah, let's jack up the front bumper and yeah, see how it is. Okay, everything is locked in. Make sure this is locked as well. That is locked. All right, let's jack it up. All right, as you can see, You can lift it up, and now you can put some traction board and whatnot on there. Yeah, the only thing we're having lift is like your travel is really nice, so it's hard to get it all up in the air, your four wheels. But for emergency purpose, yeah, it's just a demonstration only. So that's how pretty much you guys can use the hydraulic lift jack to get yourself out sticky situation when it comes to getting stuck. Put a traction board down, you know, lift up a tire instead of digging it. And then obviously for repair, that's the main purpose. FYI, it's only for emergency purpose only. If you can have some jack stand underneath, if you're working on a truck, if you plan to do this, you know, at home or something, this is definitely just for emergency. And it only lifts a certain amount of pounds, I think 6,600 pounds. So it's not meant to lift the whole truck, your rig up, just meant to lift one side for you to work on. But like anything, just be extra careful when using this. Alright guys, well hopefully you enjoyed that video of the hydraulic high lift jack and how to use it by Bunker Industry. Just be extra careful when it comes to using this on the trail. There are inherent danger when it comes to having a high lift jack, and know how to use it you know, the right way. And it has happened to me where a high lift jack has kicked out before, because there's a lot of weight being pushed into that one point. So if you're not level, if the high lift jack is not, you know, a certain angle properly, it could cause a lot of damage, and safety wise you could potentially get pretty hurt. So be extra careful, make sure everything's level. So you have to do emergency you know, recoveries and emergency repairs and whatnot on the trail. Just make sure that, you know, everything's level and everything is good when it comes to lifting up your vehicle. But yeah, this is really nice. It makes things a lot easier. There's not a lot of when we use the farmer jack or the you know, mechanical high lift jack, it's a little bit harder to crank it up, but with this hydraulic high lift jack, makes things so much easier. And having that tool to able to lift up your tires instead of, you know, in the back, not having a rock slider, you can able to use that to put something underneath, you know, to get yourself out of a sticky situation. Now, as was mentioned, it has happened to us where we have to do repair or a blown sidewall. Actually on Black Bear Pass, it happened to us. So having this tool when it comes to off-roading, overlanding is a must to do any type of repair, or you can do also recovery as well. Put some traction board underneath, and, you know, able to help yourself out instead of digging all the time. Yeah, well, if you guys are interested in getting one, I'll put all the information in the description. And thank you, Bunker Industry, for collaboration on this video. I did it with their traction board before. They have some pretty good products, so make sure to check them out, and I'll put all their website and information on the description. All right guys, if you have any questions, just let me know, and yeah, catch you guys on the next adventure. All right, take care, bye.